you can't say like वो मैंने पिया like so I'm going to be all right without going to a doctor. No, it doesn't happen like that. It is a holistic approach.
पर मैम देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे कोरिलेट कि अगर मुझे पीसीओएस हो रहा है तो हैव समथिंग टू डू विद इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस.
This is a vicious cycle. Not necessary सबको सारा problems होगा ऐसा necessary नहीं है. किसी को PCOS है and if their first degree relatives have diabetes history, then there are more chances for them to get diabetes in their age.
पीसीओएस पहले है एंड देन डायबिटीज का रिस्क बढ़ जाता है. क्या बोलते हो गाइस, शुरू करें? Hello guys, how are you healing? So welcome to yet another episode on your favorite health podcast called We Talk Health, where we talk everything about health, what to do and what not to do. And myself, Dr. Samir, your dost, that is Dr. Host for the day. Well, we know a lot of ladies in our lives and आज उसी के लिए हम लोग एक बहुत ही सीरियस येट नेग्लेक्टेड टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे, दैट इज़ PCOS, जिसको हम बोलते हैं पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम. एंड उसी के लिए वी हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड yet dynamic doctor, Dr. Reshma with us, who has over 10 years of experience when it comes to women's health. एंड आज हम लोग कवर करेंगे बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स जैसे PCOS क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है PCOS, अगर आपको PCOS हो गया तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा आपको PCOS है, व्हाट आर द इनिशियल रेमेडीज, प्रिवेंट कैसे करना है, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ मिथ्स विल बी बस्टेड टुडे. So guys, do watch this video and share with your mother, sister, girlfriends and all the ladies you love and care for.
Thank you, Dr. Sami, for calling me here and asking me to talk on this important topic. And I have to tell you, I've been following your 90-day challenge. Like, it's wonderful, yeah. Like, all the best for that.
Thank you so much. So, ma'am, coming to the first topic, like, there's the basic doubt people have. What is PCOS and what is PCOD?
Basically, PCOS and PCOD are same. Initially, previously, the nomenclature was PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease, and no more it is considered as a disease. So they've changed the nomenclature as a polycystic ovarian syndrome, in which lot of these signs and symptoms are included in that.
Okay, like we say, syndrome is a group of signs and symptoms.
Yes.
And like you mentioned, signs and symptoms. So if someone wants to know that person is suffering from PCOS or not, so what are the initial signs and symptoms someone can know from their daily lives when they are at their home before going to the doctor?
Oh, like it depends on the age. Initially, like आप notice करते हैं आपको irregular menses होता रहता है and extra hair growth, like male pattern hair growth, like mustache हुआ and like the excessive growth on chin and पेट के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा hair हो रहा है and like पीठ के ऊपर hair हो रहा है, like it is different symptoms. And when it goes to when थोड़ा बाद का age में like they feel difficulty in conceiving, so like it's different in different ages. नॉट नेसेसरी सबको सारा प्रॉब्लम्स होगा ऐसा नेसेसरी नहीं है, बट देन लाइक दीज आर द क्लूज. Like if you are having irregular periods and these male pattern, thinning of hair, acne, and different skin issues and these things, like you first initially notice that something is going wrong with me and I have to my gynecologist के पास जाके like test करा.
पर मैम देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक दे कोरिलेट कि अगर मुझे PCOS हो रहा है तो हैव समथिंग टू डू विद इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस या फिर ऐसा कुछ, देयर इज एनी कोरिलेशन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम?
Yes, definitely. See, what happens, see, I need not explain you, but like I'm telling the audience what happens. See, basically in PCOS, what happens is there is androgens that are in excess. So like this is a vicious cycle. Like androgens ज़्यादा होता है and like insulin ज़्यादा होता है, insulin ज़्यादा होके like insulin resistance होता है and उसके वजह से और insulin बढ़ता है and वो भी और androgens बढ़ाते हैं. Like this is all interrelated. It is all hormone related. Like like once you are in that, like you can't tell which has started first. Like वो सब changes होता रहता है. It is physiological.
सो अगर ये एक मिथ हो सकता है कि अगर मुझे डायबिटीज है तो मुझे पीसीओएस होने का चांसेस ज्यादा है. इज इट पॉसिबल?
इट इज़ उल्टा.
Okay.
इफ़ यू हैव पीसीओएस, आपको लाइक डायबिटीज़ होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा रहेगा.
सो पीसीओएस पहले है एंड देन डायबिटीज का रिस्क बढ़ जाता
हाँ.
है.
अगर लाइक इफ मान लो लाइक किसी को पीसीओएस है एंड इफ देयर फर्स्ट डिग्री रिलेटिव्स हैव diabetes history, then there are more chances for them to get diabetes in their age. And then it is hormone related. These people have lot of chances of having hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemias, and cardiovascular changes. And it is a syndrome, like like आगे जाके बहुत problems होता है. इसलिए हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि like it is common thing. Like I don't say it is not common, but it has to be noticed, it has to be addressed. You have to go to the doctor and get treated for PCOS. It can't be neglected. At some point it is going to affect your health in some way, like either when you're trying to conceive or आगे जाके आपको like ये सब comorbidities हो जाएगा. Like you have to treat it early. Like the early you
early detection and management is
exactly.
the key.
Early you start managing it, the better you control it.
सो मैम राइटली आप बोल देते कि हमको अर्ली डिटेक्ट करना है. सो पहले तो चला गया क्या क्या सिम्टम्स है, तो अगर हमको डिटेक्ट जल्दी करना है तो वी हैव टू गो टू द डॉक्टर एंड डू टेस्ट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट आर द टेस्ट वी शुड डू फर्स्ट टू डिटेक्ट पीसीओएस?
First, anything we start with symptoms, right? So they'll be having irregular periods, and then what are the if androgens are excess, the signs they start seeing, like like the hair growth which I was mentioning before, and biochemical tests like the androgen excess ke liye, like you test free testosterone and total testosterone. Like there are different kinds of tests that can tell you that they're having hyperandrogenism. And then like you have ultrasound where you see the cysts, actually like polycystic. So like you see there is a pattern that has to be done, like we see the volume and how many cysts are there in each, and what is the size of each cyst in each ovary. So depending on all these, like we consider these things, and any two of these three is there, then you treat them as PCOS.
It reminds me of my med school. There was some necklace appearance and
Yes,
all,
yes.
right? So that thing is also one of the
Yeah, initially we used to tell if there is necklace appearance, then like we used to consider, but now like more important thing is the count,
number
of cysts.
But ma'am, one of the interesting doubts I have is like mustaches in women. Okay, so is it very common, like if we have mustaches that has to be PCOS, or if we have mustaches and we take treatment for PCOS, there are chances of reducing it, or it can vanish, or it will stay for whole our lives?
See, if you are having that male pattern hair growth, excessive hair growth in which are seen in females, so like if you're seeing that, like first, if it is in a young age, you need to rule out the other causes first, why androgen excess is happening. So say suppose congenital adrenal hypoplasia, I mean things like which produces more of androgen in the body. If you rule out that, and like then the most common thing is PCOS, like where
Women have
still the most common thing is PCOS, but still you have to keep in mind that there you are ruling out the other things as well.
And how we can like treat this thing, like how the treatment goes around, we can go ahead with any remedies, like a lot of people say there are some tea available for removing such mustaches and also, have you heard about them?
See, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप टी पी लो कि and then like your extra hair growth vanishes. ऐसा नहीं, कभी नहीं होता है. Like only thing is like it is a holistic approach. You can't treat it in one way. There are different ways to treat it, and it is not with one person you are doing it. You have to keep in mind that your gynecologist is treating your physiological part, where your hormones are coming under control, and your dermatologist is treating the other things which gives you quick results like laser treatments or whatever, like they suggest you seeing your thing. So that, and your dietitian who changes your diet and like put you on a proper diet where you can you can
Right.
follow it
Yeah.
throughout.
So like we have group of symptoms, we need to have group of doctors
group of
and
doctors
treating
and
people to
like it is a holistic approach. I mean, मैं मना नहीं कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ चीज़ नहीं होता है. There are some teas like spearmint tea or such teas have come up, but then thrice a day पीना है वो सब ठीक है, like there's nothing harm in taking it.
That's like
It gives
adjuvant.
adjuvant.
Yeah.
Yes, but you can't say like वो मैंने पिया like so I'm going to be all right without going to a doctor. No, it doesn't happen like that. It all these things like say suppose if you are a teenager and you're having some stress and you don't have a particular diet schedule and you don't have a particular sleep schedule, like तुम नेटफ्लिक्स देखते रहोगे लाइक 3 बजे तक एंड यू ईट जंक फूड इन द नाइट एंड देन लाइक यू आस्क योर doctor, no, like my PCOS is not going away. It is not like that. Like you have to put in lot of effort yourself, because like the lifestyle plays a very 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 important role in this condition, at least. Like not able to manage stress, not having this good gut health, like eating junk and all these things, then causes these triggers, triggers that like sleep acha nahi hota hai, like sleep early and get up early, like you can follow a sleep cycle so that like your hormones come under control. And because of all this your stress बढ़ रहा है, depression बढ़ रहा है, anxiety बढ़ रहा है, ये सब चीज़ के साथ it is very very difficult to treat such people. You also are in the team who manages PCOS with the gynecologist, dermatologist,
Exactly.
or whatever.
Exactly.
Like you yourself
Been
also
there,
has
seen
to
that.
yes.
So like ma'am, you rightly said teenager. What concerns me more, that are teenagers or adolescents more prone to PCOS, or is there any age limit हमको कब से PCOS हो सकता है, या फिर you must have seen a lot of cases also.
Yes, इतने लोग, I mean, I feel so bad when the mothers get their young children, वैसा 7th class 8th class बच्चों को लेके आते हैं, मेरी बेटी like बहुत मोटी हो रहे हैं and then periods irregular आ रहे हैं, ये वो करके, like because of their sedentary life they're not getting out and playing anything, they're not eating, their eating habits daily chowmein खाओ, ये खाओ, वो खाओ, like how is it going to help? Like you yourself has to control your daughters, like youngsters, like so much mentally. They have to have the healthy lifestyle from beginning. It can't happen in a day or two. It is a practice. Daily you're practicing something good and it will become a habit eventually. I always insist, अरे like अभी क्या खेलते हैं आप? नहीं मैडम, स्कूल से आने के बाद ना ट्यूशन का टाइम होता है एंड सुबह ना वो उठती नहीं ना, तो लाइक सुबह तो जाती नहीं. लाइक व्हाट इज दिस यार? लाइक दे आर at the age to play something, go out, play something, and do this physical activity, anything that helps, so that that's where it starts getting normalized. आपका hormones भी ये होगा. And the most difficult part in this adolescent PCOS is like these days what happens, early menarche होता है, like because of these lifestyle changes ना, like they get their first period early 8-9 years where they won't even know what's happening with their bodies. Like ऐसा रहता है कि like ये क्या हो गया, like they have no clue, just they're not even prepared for it. वैसा मम्मी ने ऐसा बोला, मैं पैड पहन रही हूँ एंड बस, कभी तो आता है, कभी दे फील शाई इन टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दैट, एंड स्कूल में कभी आया तो लाइक इट फील सो embarrassing for them at that age. So they have to be mentally prepared because of these lifestyle changes that has happened since last few years. You won't believe that there are a lot of adolescent PCOS that are getting detected. How, I mean, it is little different from the normal PCOS, because what happens in menarche, after menarche, for 1-2 years, you this hypothalamo pituitary ovarian axis that is not matured. So anyways, like, they will be having irregular periods, non-ovulatory irregular periods. So we can't see that, and we can't treat. So at least so beginning May, at least we take the cutoff as 3 months as irregular periods in such cases. So after 2 years of menarche, then we come down to 45 days. If it is less than 20 days, then it is irregular, and if it is more than 45 days, then it is irregular. So accordingly we treat them. At least पूरा year में 8 cycle at least आना चाहिए. So all these things, we have to be really be very cautious to not to overdiagnose them, because irregular periods होने से it is not just PCOS. And adolescent PCOS में ऐसा criteria नहीं है कि that you do the scan and diagnose it. No, if you're having these irregular periods, like I said, and if you're having these acne problems and this excessive hair growth, all this is enough for them to be careful from the beginning. We have to catch hold of these people from the beginning, so that they are not getting affected in future.
Like a alarming sign, I can say.
Exactly.
आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस एंड आफ्टर माई स्पोर्ट्स मेडिसिन थिंग, मैंने ये रियलाइज किया कि अगर मेरी बेटी होती है फ्यूचर में तो उसको एथलीट बनाऊंगा. कुछ कर रहे हो मत करो भाई, खेलना है तुम्हें, खेलना है. एंड लिसनिंग टू यू like you said that the adolescent thing, I feel that we were belong to some other generation. मतलब हम लोगों का टाइम इतना कॉमन नहीं था, क्योंकि हम लोग 4 बजे होते we used to play. Even for girls also I'm saying, ऐसा नहीं कि only the guys, girls were also having, actually they are having other physical activities. जाके there were some sports which girls used to play. हमारे स्कूल में खो-खो was very common among girls, throw ball हो गया. But nowadays like people are playing the same game but on tabs. मैम कमिंग टू द सोल्यूशंस, मैंने जितने अपने फीमेल पीयर्स से सुना, एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग माई गायनी पोस्टिंग्स ड्यूरिंग मेड स्कूल, दैट OCPs वर वन ऑफ द या फिर ओनली ट्रीटमेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू PCOS इफ वी सी मेडिकली. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आर दे ओनली द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ चॉइस फॉर PCOS?
No, Samir, I don't think only OC pills are the only treatment, but then that is one of the treatment. Initially, I would like to insist on diet and exercise first. Diet, when it comes to diet, I don't tell one diet is superior to other, but you should have discipline. Set realistic goals which are achievable, which are time bound. इतना महीने में मैं इतना kgs कम करना है. So every body is different. The main funda is you should have long lasting thing. You can't just go on crash diet and just end that. You can't sustain on that diet for months together. You just can't do such things which is sustainable. You select one diet which is suitable to you. Mostly I prefer calorie restricted diets. When I tell my patients, I always tell when you have your plate in front of you, half of the thing should be your veggies, okay, and then complex carbs, and it should include proteins, and all together. It's a balanced diet. Yeah. I don't really prefer cutting down of carbs completely. I really don't see a point.
That's a myth in India. India, carbs are the main source of energy, I feel like.
Exactly.
Everyone is obese not because of the fats, but because of the carbs.
Yes. You can have good fats like ghee and all. You can't cut down everything. Everything should be included. But have portion control diet. And you can do intermittent fasting, where you have gap between eat early and you start your day late. these are some of the, you know, things which you can follow. But then, like, you know, please select a diet which you can do it throughout. You know, it's
Whole
not
your
just
life and all.
it's not just you do it for 6 months for the sake of, you know, like your doctor has told you to lose weight, and then like after 6 months you start eating pizzas, burgers and all, and there's no point. Like you have to sustain, like you should make your mindset that ठीक है, like कभी कभी कुछ खाया तो कुछ नहीं होता है, like रोज वैसा लाइफस्टाइल है तो उससे होता है. You should understand
what is the
that.
overall picture, like हाँ,
Yes.
अगर तुम एक महीने में एक बार cheat meal लेते हो, it's
हाँ,
fine, like
it's
obviously
fine.
like you
हाँ.
said young people are suffering, we can't ask these young ladies to control their
हाँ.
palate and all, वो
Exactly.
possible है ही
हाँ.
नहीं. Those are like मुझे लगता है unrealistic है.
Exactly.
And also कि अगर हम लोग डाइट करें तो there is there some specific exercises हमको कुछ करना है, योगा or anything like we can go ahead with.
See, always the weight bearing exercises are really good. And I mean, my recent favorite is Pilates, like which I'm like really liking it. Which I am seeing a lot of results. I mean, I don't say results, but like I'm feeling good about it. So I started telling my patients, go for Pilates, yoga, whatever you like, but do something, not just, you know, sitting and open your phones and like, you know, just thinking
Make
that
reels
you are
and all TikToks.
just
Like I
thinking
see
that-
young people these days are more into those things.
yeah,
right?
exactly. I'm overweight, I have to lose weight. Like start doing it, like you will get into it, and don't expect that it'll happen in a day or two or a month. It has to, you know, go on and it'll happen. So I prefer, you know, they should have weight bearing exercises somehow. And then, like, you know, walking, I don't really think walking helps, but like with walking they can add some other
amount of weight bearing, some
Exactly.
amount of cardio, calories
Uh-huh,
in itself.
exactly.
Like that should again be balanced, right?
Exactly.
And like, ma'am, why is it like whenever we talk about PCOS, this thing comes to our mind is lose weight, obesity. So is it always PCOS is related to obesity, or we do have lean people suffering from PCOS?
Yes, there is an entity called lean PCOS, where like people are very thin but they have PCOS. I keep telling them, like, you know, like they might find, you know, like what doctor is asking me to exercise. I'm very thin. Like, how can she ask me to exercise? ठीक है यार, like you are looking thin, but you go and see your visceral fat. That will be too much. Like it is not just your how you are looking, like वैसा नहीं होता है. अंदर का जो फैट होता है, विजरल फैट, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो ज़्यादा होता है लीन पीसीओएस में. दैट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस. एंड लीन पीसीओएस लोग का ना, लाइक यू हैव टू इंक्रीज देयर लीन मसल मास. So they have to exercise. I insist them, like ऐसा नहीं है कि like you are thin and you don't have to exercise. वैसा नहीं होता है. Exercise is something which everybody has to do. Like you, me, everybody at every age.
And even exercise is something which gives you a peace of mind.
Mind, yes.
Like more of endorphins body में release होता है.
Yes.
And जैसे आप बोले lean PCOS, it reminds me of one of my cases. That guy was having lower BMI, okay, and he came to me with a grade 1 fatty liver, and then he asked me like, how is it possible? I'm like, तुम्हारे बॉडी में जो कॉम्पोजिशन है, कितना बोन्स, कितना मसल्स, कितना फैट्स रहना है, उसमें मसल्स का नंबर परसेंटेज बहुत ही कम है एंड फैट ज्यादा है. दैट्स व्हाई वो जाके तुम्हारे लिवर के ऊपर है एंड यू हैव ग्रेड 2 फैटी लिवर. सो आई थिंक दैट द सेम थिंग इन केस ऑफ
Yes. Because you know, like they won't know, like they won't get it checked, because लोग का ऐसा रहता है कि मैंने आई एम थिन, सो लाइक मे बी आई एम नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग. इट्स नॉट राइट. यू like you have to address your things as well. And as I said, like muscle mass increase karna hai, and like they have to they also will, you know, I mean, they can avoid this cardio exercises, HIIT and all those exercises, but then weight strengthening to karna hi padega, and they need to follow the diet and these things which the normal PCOS people does. All these things are normal. And I see like PCOS में lot of vitamin deficiencies होता है. Like, you know, like you say vitamin D and B12. like you need to correct that as well, because
Because burger pizza में तो वो सब नहीं
हाँ
रहेगा, right?
exactly.
Yeah.
So you need, it should be
Proper balance.
proper balanced diet.
Ma'am, when we were planning this episode with you on PCOS, so we were having a Q&A session, okay? So my team came up that they were saying one of the major concern when it comes to PCOS is getting pregnant during PCOS. So is it a myth that is if someone is having PCOS, she can't become pregnant in future? Or what do you have to say about it?
I don't say it is impossible, but in many cases it is difficult to become pregnant. So what happens is, in PCOS, the ovulation is not happening every month. You have follicles, but they are not, you don't have enough FSH for them to getting matured and big ovulation happens. वैसा नहीं होता है. So like in them, you are not ovulating every month and you have irregular periods. It is very difficult and cumbersome to track their periods and track their what are the fertile days and ovulation is happening or no. Like all these things are little difficult. They have lot of follicles, but they're not quality. जो चीज़ होता है क्वांटिटी में ज़्यादा है, बट लाइक क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है. ऐसा बहुत पेशेंट्स आते हैं, लाइक ऐसा रिसेंटली लाइक लास्ट मंथ एक पेशेंट आए थी. शी लॉस्ट ऑल द होप. शी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 32. And then like she came to me that like I have PCOS, so like we have decided that we are not going to get pregnant, so I want to go for IVF treatment directly without even trying for it. So I said, like, why are you even thinking like that? Like, you can still try. Like, what we need, I have checked her AMH level, which is fine, and her antral follicles, which are also fine, and like basic tests जो run करते हैं हम patients पे, all those were fine. And like when we put on their regular, when we target them to get their regular cycles, and like I had done her ultrasound monitoring, when is she ovulating and all that, she became pregnant in the first this thing itself. Like that is, she also has done so much. Like I have added supplements to her for improving the quality of egg, and all those things were added.
That must have given you immense pleasure. Like
Exactly.
someone with no hopes and you help that woman to get better. That's like the best feeling I feel.
Exactly. Like she almost lost hope. Then I gave her weight reduction tips, and like she has done it very, very, like from her side, she has done her 100%. So such patients are like really inspiring. Like, they are putting their effort into it. Like if you don't do anything, like obviously we have to do everything.
We can give you the guidance. Again, you have to walk on that path.
Yes.
And ma'am, अगर जैसे same example में that lady was pregnant, so did she come to you again that with some post pregnancy complications? Are there any special complications PCOS में होता है?
Yes. Pregnant, the people who have PCOS have higher chance, like double the chances of abortions, like in the first trimester. So we need to give that support, progesterone support and all that. Like if a normal lady has 15% of chances, then this PCOS has almost 30% of chances of getting a miscarriage. So we need to, like, there are a lot of supplements that are needed, and they are at higher risk of having this hypertension, diabetes in pregnancy, and like even preterm deliveries for that matter, like almost double the risk of normal people. So they have to have regular checkups. They have to come to the doctor regularly and keep their BP, weight under check. It's not that like I'm pregnant now, like I leave everything and I eat everything. ऐसा नहीं होता
The
है.
main
Like,
journey of pregnancy starts after you are pregnant.
Yeah.
You have to be more careful.
It's equally important.
Because now it's again two lives, not one life, right?
Exactly. So like you have to it's not that मैं double खाऊं, मैं pregnant हूँ, मैं double खाऊं, and like PCOS open, like they gain weight so easily. Like अभी तक जो मेहनत किया पूरा
पूरा waste हो जाएगा.
waste हो जाएगा. So I keep telling them, don't. You have to check on your weight. Don't eat too much that you're pregnant. You have to have the balanced diet. even in pregnancy. Not that like you can eat anything. So like by regular checkups and all, you can definitely have.
And
a
I
healthy
hope she had a
pregnancy.
healthy baby.
No, like she is yet to.
Just okay. So I can hope for the future.
Yes.
So ma'am, thank you so much for explaining the questions so well. But me being this curious person, तो मेरे पास कुछ myth and facts का rapid fire questions है, तो उसको मैं ज़्यादा explanation नहीं मांगूंगा, आपको बस बोलना है कि ये myth है या fact है. So हम लोग उसको quickly कर लेंगे, because I have been curious बचपन से ये सर, तो questions मेरा खत्म ही नहीं होता है. So my first question is, losing weight will automatically cure PCOS?
Myth. Because like not only losing weight, there are other factors also, as I was telling, like there are a lot of factors into it. So it is,
Okay. Then second question is, PCOS will only affect the reproductive health.
myth.
Birth control pills will definitely cure the condition of PCOS.
Myth. Birth control pills can cure the symptoms of PCOS, but not PCOS को treat कर रहा है.
Only overweight women get diagnosed with PCOS.
Myth.
Okay, वो तो आप आंसर कर ही लिया है. Okay, my last and final question. Sorry for bothering you so much. So irregular periods are always a sign of PCOS.
Not always. You have to. It's first of all, it's a myth.
Okay.
And not all irregular periods are only because of PCOS. You have to rule out the other things as well.
So thank you so much, ma'am, again clearing all these doubts. And I'd love to have you again sometime on the show if you are available from your daily schedule.
Yes, definitely.
So I think आप लोगों का बहुत सारा डाउट्स क्लियर हो गया होगा when it comes to PCOS, and do watch this video again, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, and share with your all the favorite ladies around. और अगर आपका अभी भी डाउट है, do write in the comment. हम लोग फिर से मैम को लेके आएंगे. I have to request मैम फिर से, क्योंकि आज मैं बहुत ही बॉदर किया हूँ मैम को. She'll come again, she'll clear our all doubts. Do like, subscribe and share this video with all your dear ones. Thank you.